Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we're tackling the USDCHF. Recent news reports indicate muted trading activity around the year-end holiday season, with the USDCHF holding below 0.9050. However, some analysts predict clear gains for the USDCHF in the coming days, potentially reaching 0.90772 Swiss francs. We will analyze and compare the candlestick patterns on various timeframes to identify possible support and resistance levels. Let's start by looking at the daily chart, focusing on the recent price action. We see a period of consolidation followed by a significant increase in volume, signifying a potential shift in market sentiment. The recent price increase could indicate a growing bullish trend. However, it's crucial to analyze whether this momentum is sustainable or merely a short-lived surge. Now, let's zoom into the 1-hour chart to gain a more granular perspective on the recent price movements. The 1-hour chart will provide more short-term insights. Here, we can spot potential resistance levels around 0.90772, with support at 0.8735. The current price action will help determine whether this support will hold or the price will break through. Switching to the 15-minute chart gives us an even closer look at the current price action, which can inform very short-term trading decisions. Notice the candlestick patterns forming over the last few hours. We can look at a short-term range to see how momentum is changing. Short-term trends often reflect short-term changes in market sentiment, such as market volatility. We can also start to identify key levels of support or resistance based on these short-term candlesticks. Analyzing the candlestick patterns on the 15-minute chart will reveal the short-term momentum in the market. While the daily chart shows a bigger picture trend, the 15-minute chart reflects the immediate market response to news and events. Here, we can better identify potential entry and exit points for short-term trades. The recent price action is providing clues about the strength of the current trend. Based on our analysis across all three charts, we identify potential key support and resistance levels and probable short-term scenarios. Significant support lies around 0.8735 and resistance around 0.90772. There's an approximately 20% chance of a short-term bullish continuation above 0.90772. This would be reinforced if positive news emerges regarding economic growth in either Switzerland or the US. A bearish reversal would be reinforced if unexpected negative news arises. However, in the long term, several factors could influence the USDCHF. For a long-term prediction, a multitude of factors would need to be considered, including the monetary policies of the Federal Reserve and the Swiss National Bank. This would be reflected in long-term trends in the charts. Volatility or extreme price swings should be monitored. In summary, the USDCHF presents a complex scenario. While short-term bullish trends are possible, considerable uncertainty remains regarding the long-term outlook. Keep a close watch on news releases, economic indicators, and the price action itself. Remember that the information discussed in this video is intended for educational purposes only. Always make independent decisions and follow risk management strategies. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts.